Hello guys, in this video I'm giving you a quick overview of the Asus TUF VG249QM5A. Let's see what this new 240Hz monitor offers based on specs and early user feedback. Before getting into the details, I want to be clear that this overview is based on multiple trusted sources, including official Asus specifications, professional testing data from similar models, and early user feedback from online communities. Since the Asus TUF VG249QM5A is still a very new monitor, full reviews are limited, so this is meant to give you an honest early picture of what to expect. According to Asus, this is a 23.8-inch Full HD fast IPS gaming monitor built for competitive play, featuring a native 240 Hz refresh rate and an extremely fast 0.3 milliseconds minimum response time. It also supports AMD FreeSync Premium and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, helping reduce tearing and stuttering during fast-paced gameplay. Asus includes eLMB Sync, which combines motion blur reduction with adaptive refresh for clearer movement on screen. In terms of visuals, Asus claims 99% sRGB color coverage, making it solid not only for esports titles, but also for casual media and everyday use. There are also software tools like Display Widget Center, plus gaming-focused extras such as AI crosshair and visibility enhancements. Early user discussions suggest the monitor delivers smooth motion clarity and strong FPS performance, but some concerns remain around stand ergonomics, viewing angle limitations, and quality control on certain units. Overall, it looks like a strong option for competitive gamers, but pricing and warranty support will be key factors when deciding if it's the right buy. So overall, the VG249QM5A looks like a strong choice if you want a fast 240Hz esports monitor with smooth performance and modern gaming features. Just keep in mind the possible trade-offs like ergonomics and viewing angles, and always consider pricing and warranty support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.